What's up, travelers? It's our third full day here in Osaka. Ohayou gozaimasu!
Hi, gozaimasu from Osaka! So today we're going to the tower in Shinsekai. I forgot what it's called. And then we're going to the zoo. And then tonight, it's a chill day today. Tonight, bahala na kung anong gagawin namin. We'll probably go to Dotonbori since it's also our last day of using the Amazing Pass. We want to do the Tombori boat ride. Hopefully, sana makaya sa schedule kasi you have to book it but you can only book it the same day that you're gonna use it. So, sana mamaya may schedule pa. So, tara, sabay-sabay tayong gumala!
Let's go!
So we're going to the tower. There's a different line if you're gonna do the slide versus if you're just gonna do the tower. Osaka Amazing Pass. Can you sit here?
Hi, Chub! So, we're going to the tower. So, if you want to go here, just use our promo code, Chub Explorers!
Look, promo code for the Amazing Pass.
Yeah, see you later!
If you don't have the Amazing Pass, entrance to the tower is 900 for adults and 400 yen for children. If you're getting the combo, it's 1,200 for the tower and the slider, and then 600 yen for children. So yeah, if tower slider lang, it's 1,000 yen for adults. Thank you.
Another elevator.
So the first elevator took us to the second floor where they took our photo. And binili namin siya 1,300 yen. Kasi maganda rin siyang souvenir. We're in another tower. Looking at the whole view of Osaka. So from the tower, we can see Tennoji Zoo. Ayun siya. Diyan dapat kami pupunta.
And unfortunately, closed siya ng Monday.
So tiningnan na, pagsilip namin, sabi namin parang walang tao. So tiningnan namin kung open siya today and ayun nga, close siya. So plan B, mag-iisip kami ng gagawin. Aside from the, actually marami pang pwedeng gawin, marami pa rin dun sa Amazing Pass. We'll probably do the cruise. So tingnan natin mamaya kung anong gagawin namin. So you can see Shinsekai from up here. So, ito yung isa pang floor ng tower. Disco daw. On the third floor, there's a diorama of the history of the tower. May pa-movie din ng history, but since we can't understand it, we won't watch it. Yeah. Nice to know. They also have here the history of the Glico man. So we're gonna try to play this. It has to stop at 11:11. Siguro para sa Shopee to. 11:11. Twice ko dapat i-ano.
Isa lang.
11:24. Ihirap. Ang ganda ng diorama here. So, upon exit, there's a souvenir shop. Ayan, maraming stuff dito. And merch for you to buy. Plus, may food rin. So, ayan. Before this trip, we really wanted to go to Rinku Premium Outlets. But it's near the airport, which is an hour away from Osaka, so we had to abort that plan. Now, since the zoo is closed and we also need to pick up our ICOCA cards from the airport anyway, we decided that this was the best plan B. So here we are on the way back to the airport. So to pick up the ICOCA cards, here, if you booked it also, you go to this EasyGo counter. It's found at the south side of the arrival hall. You just have to be aware of the office hours because dumating kami dito. We got out around 8 p.m. na, and this counter is only open until 6:30 p.m. So, but we're back here since we're going to Rinku. We decided na daanan na rin yung ICOCA card namin. So, nakuha na namin siya. What's up, chuberlers? We're going to Rinku Premium Outlets. Exit 4 when you get off at Rinku Town Station. Let's go! This is Rinku. Here. And we found another Ferris wheel.
Sakay ba tayo dyan?
Ano, Chub? Sakyan ba natin lahat ng Ferris wheel ng Osaka? I think that's the plan. So we're at Rinku. And we're headed to Rinku Premium Outlets. Let's go! We're having lunch here at food court. I have udon and tempura. Para siyang sa Marugame udon. And Tony's lunch is this curry plus udon. And Tony's gonna have dessert. It's vanilla and matcha ice cream.
That's right.
Hi, Chubs! So, nag-end up kami sa Rinku Premium Outlets today. So, dapat Tennoji Zoo sana, kaya lang closed pala siya on Mondays. Kasi ganito yon. Let me explain. Meron kaming mga nakaplan for 2 days na gagamitin yung Osaka Amazing Pass. Pero nagawa namin most of it nung day 1. Kasi mabilis lang pala yung iba. So, naubusan kami ng gagawin for day 2 sa Osaka Amazing Pass. But don't get me wrong, marami siyang pwedeng gawin. But, yun lang yung mga type namin amongst that. So, yesterday, yung gamit namin yung Amazing Pass sa train rides at saka sa mga attractions. ROI na agad kami. So, parang hindi naman din siya nakakapanghinayang if di namin siya masyadong magagamit today. So ngayon, nandito na lang kami sa Rinku Premium Outlets. Pero pupunta kami ng Tennoji Zoo on our last day bago umuwi kasi gabi pa naman yung flight namin kasi we want to go to the zoo talaga. So ngayon, magpapabudol na lang muna kami. And I think mas maganda din naman siya kasi at least yung mabibili namin, manifesting na may mabibili kami, pwede na naming lagay agad sa luggage kesa kung gagawin namin tong Rinku kasi nakaplano talaga to before going home. Kung ginawa namin to bago umuwi, baka di rin kami makabili masyado at hindi malagay sa luggage kasi nakaayos na yun eh. So yun lang, nag-explain diba? Doon kami kumain sa parang Marugame Udon pero ang pangalan ay Sanuki Udon. Baka pinsan niya si Marugame. Kasi pareho silang udon yung apelido. Or baka kapatid. Yun lang. So guys, yung first mall na makikita nyo coming from the train station after the Ferris wheel, that is not Rinku. So, punta kayo sa second floor and then diretso kayo after the bridge. That's where you'll find the Rinku Premium Outlets. So, yung kinainan namin na food court, that is not Rinku. And the reason why I say it that way, kasi pumunta ako sa information center. Pagdating ko doon, may malaking sign sila nakalagay, this is not Rinku. So yun, siguro...
Magtatanong pa lang sana kami, pero hindi na namin tinuloy.
Yeah, siguro madaming nagtatanong din. So, tara, hanapin natin yung totoong Rinku Premium Outlets. Let's go! Okay, so we found the real Rinku Premium Outlets. Ayun po yung itsura niya, ladies and gentlemen.
Gusto at pare-pareho ang itsura ng outlet. Parang iisa yung nag-design.
Yeah. Okay, hanapin na namin ang aming mga gustong hanapin na stores.
Kohan.
Nike. Ano pa?
Nike.
New Balance.
Adidas.
Yeah.
Gucci, charot.
Wait lang. Diyan lang muna kayo. Budol is real.
Pumunta na kayo dito sa Rinku, pinamimigay nila yung mga zapatos. Ibot. Tignan mo. So, bahala na sa pagpapak kung paano siya magkakasya.
This is Rinku
Outlet.
Yan. So, pag walang tao, guys.
So, gawa na Monday or weekdays kasi walang katao-tao. So, makapag-shopping kayo ng matiwasay.
Yes. And we would like to thank Tennoji Zoo for being closed today. Otherwise, we won't be here with our Buddhas! Okay, punta kami sa Gap. Let's go! Sa lahat ng outlets na napuntahan namin, and we've been to Hong Kong, Taiwan, Malaysia, dito kami talagang nabudol. Sa Rinku Premium Outlets, huwag na huwag kayong pupunta dito. Delikado. Magagalit ang mga wallet nyo. Sobrang mura kasi parang pinapamigay na nila yung mga like Nike. Makakabili ka ng halos 1,000 pesos lang na sneakers.
Mga 1,818 ganun. 1,819.
Oo. Sobrang mura niya talaga. So, nakabili kami dalawang Nike, dalawang Puma. Yung Puma pa, yung take pa
Second pair is 50% off. So,
diba?
sobrang mura na nga niya. 50% off pa.
Diba? Paano na? Tapos, may tax-free pa. So,
yun
don't
pa.
forget to give your passport. Kasi nakalimutan namin sa Nike. Sayang nga eh. Pero sa ibang mga binilhan namin, okay naman. Nabigay namin yung passport. So, naka-tax-free kami. Tapos nakabili din kami ng isang Onitsu cup. Paano na? Paano na magkakasya sa maleta? Anyway, so yun. Muna, hahanap kami kung saan kami magdi-dinner. Later! here's how to load your ICOCA card. Tap mo na English. And then, insert your card. And then insert the amount that you wish to load. And tap 1,000. And that's it. That's the new balance of your ICOCA card.